Hey guys, we are going to work on our air dry clay ghost tonight. I'm super excited to do these with you. You are only going to need a couple of ingredients, or a couple items to do these, not ingredients. Some air dry clay. I'm using Sculpey brand, some aluminum foil, a cup, something to make a circle with, and that is basically it. Now what I did was I rolled my dough out, I cut it with this lid to get a circle, and now I am just going to pick it up and I am going to shape it around this aluminum foil, because this aluminum foil ball is going to form the head of my ghost. And so literally, this is all we're going to do. We're going to lay, well, first of all, I'm going to squeeze the edges. This one's a little small, but you're going to get the idea. We are going to lay it, oops, it's really small. We are going to lay it out over this aluminum foil ball, and we are going to shape it like a ghost. And what you're going to end up with, if I can get this straight on here. So I lay it over like this, and then I just want to start pinching, just like this. You just want to have at least 5 little pinches. Be careful not to do them too hard, because everything you do is going to show through on this. And you can take water and you can rub out your lines. Super easy to do that. It's like that. Once you have pinched and have them the way you like them, then all you're going to do, I used a paintbrush, the end of a paintbrush, and I'm going to get up and show you this way. I just dug basically into the clay like that. All right, and then you're going to leave this overnight to dry. It's probably going to take more than overnight. It's probably going to take a day and a half to dry. And when it's dry, it's going to look like this guy. This one is all hard and ready to use. You can see my little eyes in my mouth there. And what you're going to do next is you are going to decoupage some napkins on here. You can use any kind of design you want. I have a fall napkin I'm going to show you today. And you are just going to need some glossy or matte Mod Podge, whatever your preference is. I'm using glossy. And I'm just going to, is this brush soft? You need a soft brush, a very soft brush. And I've cut out some little leaves and things from my napkin. This is what my napkin looks like. And I'm just going to place them all around. Like I want that right there. So I'm going to take my Mod Podge and I'm just going to paint it on. Oopsie, you can put a little bit in the area you want to put it. Just like that. And then just paint it on with the Mod Podge. If you want to get really technical and fussy cut all around your leaf so you don't have any white, you can, but as you can see, it blends in with the white of the clay, and so it's not going to matter. It's not going to matter a bit. I'm going to do this leaf right on top here. So I'm going to paint that down. These are just too stinking cute. And then you just put a little Tealight underneath them and set them all over the house. Adorbs, I'm telling you. They are so stinking cute. I got this little acorn right here. I'm going to put an acorn right there. Look how adorable. Y'all, these are too cute. You need them like all over the house, so you need to make a lot. And let me tell you that a pack of air clay will make thousands of these. You may not want to make thousands of them, but you're going to want to do other things, because I have some other videos I'm going to post for you that show you how to make some trinket dishes and all kinds of things just using air clay, air dry clay, which is awesome. This clay is so easy to work with. It's very forgiving. And you can use anything on it. You can paint it, you can use napkins and Mod Podge. There's just infinite possibilities of what you can do with this clay. So you're gonna wanna make all the things. Let's see, I feel like I want that, but it's not the right size. So let's see, what else have we got over here? Yeah, I guess I'll use him right there. So stinking cute. All right, now when this dries, it'll dry clear. I am just gonna brush the glossy Mod Podge over the whole ghost so that he looks even. You are gonna wanna use this with so many applications, I'm telling you. They are adorable and super easy to make. You can get the kids and grandkids involved in this because the clay is all non-toxic. You can even use that, I use Sculpey, but you can use Crayola air dry clay. It works just as well. And here he is. I'm gonna put a few more things on him, I think. But look how stinking adorable that is. You just want to do these, I'm telling you. You don't wanna miss the chance to make these little cuties and set them out all over your house. People are going to love them. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you're gonna try it. Let me know in the comments if you do. Bye.